One thing we never have to worry in this hostel is about the food. It is very clean, fresh and balanced as well because we get a variety of food items every week. Even though it is in hostel, but here we get a feeling of ghar ka khana.
Hygiene as well as the cleanliness of the hostel, every day they are cleaning, wiping as well as they are doing all the washrooms clean.
Security and safety is just on the point. Our entire hostel is covered by high resolution cameras. Warden, staff members, everyone is just very friendly with us.
I would like to say there's a lot for entertainment. There's basketball court, there's gym. If you want to hit the gym every day, you could.
Our transportation system is very well maintained. Buses came on time and there are at least 4 to 5 buses at a time which manages the crowd very effectively.
So this is our hostel life at MIT-WPU, safe, supportive and simply unforgettable.